let me introduce the color balance management. Press ctrl+B or go to the image tab, then adjustments and select color balance. Here you can manage midtones, highlights, shadows. Notice there is three kinds of tunings: cyan to red, magenta to green and yellow to blue. Red, yellow and magenta are warm colors, and blue, green and cyan are cool colors. If you want to give your image a winter look, try the cool adjustments. And try warm colors to give a warm look to your image. Another way and a shortcut to change the temperature is go to Image tab again and Adjustments, then Variations. From a range of variety, make your own choice.